So we are here in this holy mountain. In this mountain, right from the beginning of this ministry. So you are given the grace. For the past 7 years, nobody was given the grace to come here in this mountain. But for the first time, after 7 years, we're here. As it was, so it is. Jesus still empowers his disciples to change the world today. Whoever believes in me will do the works I have been doing, and they will do even greater things than these, because I'm going to the Father. John 14:12. If millions of this generation are to believe, they must see proof that Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever. Be a part of witnessing the gospel of Jesus Christ.